Welcome to the channel today, everyone. We are in Bournemouth, and what a lovely day today. We just actually just been in that Witherspoon just over there. The moon in the square. What a breakfast that was. If you ever fancy a nice breakfast, come to Bournemouth. The moon in the square, Witherspoons, just over there, that place. And it's quite busy today, around the square. And we're going to have a walk down towards the beach areas, and a little bit different to Weymouth. A lot more here. As you can see, we got the Real Greek, and we got Five Guys up the top there, Slim Chickens, Ask Italian towards the end, and all this is in the square. The Brew Dog, and the Boom Battle Bar. I wonder what that is. Cocktail bar, lovely. Yeah, quite. Oh yeah, look at that, Odeon. Yeah, Odeon. Yeah, so this is Bournemouth, everyone, and welcome to the channel today. And we're going to have a walk round towards the beach, a lovely beach, and it's the weather's not too bad today. It's sun's trying to break through. So far, so good. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, you got TGI Fridays just here. Look at that. Yeah, they was in trouble some time back as well, weren't they? And you got Nando's on the top. So that's where we just walked from, around by Bournemouth Square. Nice cathedral there, or church, just above. Yeah, so we're going to walk round to the beach. We're just passing the, actually I think that place here, over here where we came at Christmas, I think that's where we had all the Christmas trees and everything, down there, Bournemouth Park. Yeah, so we're just down by Bournemouth Beach. We just come to the open topper, the Bournemouth open topper, which is there. Hop on, hop off. And down towards the beach. There's the open topper. Have a look at that. Take you all around Bournemouth, I think. Yeah, hop on, hop off. Pool Bay, Sunbank Explorer. Yeah, very nice. Have a go on that if you want to come down there to Bournemouth sometime. And there's the wheel. Very nice. Oh, look at this. Coloured seats and chairs and tables. What's this? Hot Rocks. Hot Rocks. Yeah, a lot different to the Weymouth Beach. Weymouth Beach is all nice, and this is also nice as well, Bournemouth. So let's see what you can do here then. The aquarium, just there. You find it interesting. Tickets valid all day long. A famous Bournemouth beach. Never walked along this bridge, my first time. So, a lovely pier up there. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Yeah, we'll walk a little way down here and have a look. That's massive seafront. We'll have a look at some, walk halfway down, and then we'll walk back towards the pier. See what they got down here. Plenty of ice cream. Yeah, lovely beach. First time here today, and never been walked around Bournemouth Beach today, but lovely.
Send the video.
Lovely cafe bars. Fancy a coffee or a drink. Drunk. Too much drinking. Wow, what a lovely view that is. Look, amusements. Yeah, I think we'll have a look in there in a minute, and just to show you what's on offer on the way back. Yeah, travel down by train today, down to the beach. I didn't really fancy driving, as the car had to come in for a serious service. So I think I'll leave the car and caught the train, so there's no pressure about the getting back to the car and parking. Just got to get the buses, and if you ever come down by train to Bournemouth, either from Weymouth or from London, you want to get off at Bournemouth, there's a bus stop just outside, and most of the buses, if you come out the station, turn to the right, and there's a little bus stop on its own just before the bridge, and you can get all the buses to Bournemouth Square there. If you need some more information, just message us in the comments, everyone. If you want any directions or any help, I'll be pleased to do it for you. Or pleased to help you, rather. Ooh, ice cream. Oh, I've got those, the huts, look. Different coloured huts all along there. Pretty nice. Every seaside town's got them. Oh, rather nice.